this relay. I don't see any physical damage, but it's pretty yellow and brown. And I've also measured this capacitor with my multimeter, and it measures exact the same number that is showing, which is 2 microfarad. So the capacitor should be okay. My number one suspect is this relay. So I'm going to order it from Amazon and see if it fixed the problem. Now I've got a new part from Amazon. By referencing to the wiring, the blue goes here, the brown goes here. Those are from the capacitor, and then the cream or the white goes on the bottom. All right, and the last one is the black, and it goes here. Now I'm ready to plug this back into the condenser. Here, there's 3 prongs protruding out, and here I'm going to plug this right in. All right. There we go. There we go. Okay. Let's put the capacitor, plug it back in here. Okay. Let's test real quickly. Let me turn the switch back on. Voila! All right. It's working again.
就这玩意儿坏了是吧？
Yeah. So $9.
不行，得
Part saves us
别那么
$300.
咱得立下来。